Can you imagine a world without music? Even those of us who consider ourselves tone deaf will say no. Visiting the Music Museum in Bangalore's JP Nagar convinces us how all humans are musical. No one can express it better than Pandit Ravi Shankar. Ricky Cage, the young proponent of world music and Grammy Award winner, has this to say.
How did music start? Music started off as sounds from within nature. Music started off as sounds of the birds, sounds of the animals, sounds of the rivers flowing, sounds of the rain falling, sounds of the wind moving against leaves of trees and things like that. And then later on it evolved to humans trying to imitate those sounds, and that's what became the genesis of tribal music and things like that, where humans were just trying to imitate those sounds and making them more pleasing to our ears. And it's only for the last maybe about 400 or 500 years that music has actually become academic, with notes and scales and rags and things like that. So music has started off from nature, and that's why I believe that music and nature is one and the same thing.
Sa comes from the peacock, Re from the bull, Ga from the goat, Ma from the sarus crane, Pa from the cuckoo, Tha from the horse, and Ni from the elephant. Navarasas refer to the 9 human emotions. All the Navarasas can be expressed through music. Anything evolving from nature has to be universal. Music provided that universal language.
Oh, ये वो वाला है. Oh, ये वो वाला है.
यूज करता है.
At this point, I am introducing Mr. R. Mohan, musicologist from Bangalore, to give us his inputs from a lifelong association with all kinds of music, Indian music. What is the Rangoli doing in a music museum? Rangoli captures the vibrations of the complex harmonics of raga music in 2 dimensions.
They have something special. And
There is a separate field of science called semantics, which deals with the relationship between vibrations and the geometric patterns
Except that you can
corresponding to
recognize
it.
through a different route. वहाँ पर भी क्या होता था, मिडिल में एक पादुका होती थी, वो उसके बेसिस पता चलता है कि ऊपर है कि नीचे है, ऊपर है कि नीचे. You'll see it from the top. एक छोटा सा पादुका है, that will show the direction of how do you maintain it. You'll find one is Hindustani element also, Drupad element also, Khayal element also, Badat में Khayal element भी होगा, and also phenomenal rhythm, that's forget it. And most important thing is, if you understand it carefully, you can do the orchestration also. Hindustani samstha or piano samstha, that is, you can do an arrangement. I can explain everything, but I
The
can't write.
violin, a Western musical instrument, was incorporated into Indian music in the early 19th century. Muthuswami Dikshidhar, who lived in the 18th century, set Sanskrit lyrics to Western melodies.
Oh, yeah. And only thing is,
songs
it's
called
all 4 lines, 5 lines.
Lotus
It's not very big
Flowers.
ones. On every deity that you can think of, on music, on this thing, Saraswati, on anything, Hanumanji. So what happens is, you can start for the kids, in one single raga, Shankaravarana, because that is a basic note of Western C major scale. So he puts that there, and 39 compositions are there. And people thought, it is irrelevant करके सीखते नहीं थे. या Western कौन सीखेगा? But nowadays some interest has come in, so he's been given that. At least I'm happy that fellows at least given some importance here. And Drupadam का तो importance पता नहीं कब मिलेगा उसको. But at least this is.
So उनको सुनने के बाद इंडियनाइज करने के लिए he wrote
He wrote the some. If I have time, I'll show you in the net actually. Also, there the most iconic of them is Fayaz Khan sir. He was in कहते हैं ना बड़ौदा का. He was also king का वो जो क्या कहते हैं वो that Asthana Vidwan types no of Baroda. So this chap is the one who has created that power. With that thirst and then the power, the mass hitting, this chap is done. This is the one. This is the Agra Gharana. And the first Gharana, of course, is the Gwalior one. What we call it as the Gwalior. Gwalior has a lot of similarities with presentation of Carnatic music actually. They don't do the Badat the way normal do it. They complete the cycle first, then slowly they'll pick it up. Whereas all of these fellows will have it slowly, one by one, the Badat will be there. And here is the iconic one, this one. Unka jo lineage itna hai Vilayat Hussain, I was only surprised at almost about 20 doyens after this. Fayaz Khan Sahab, Vilayat Hussain Khan Sahab, then you have Yunus Hussain Khan Sahab, you have other masters, so many of them. And each of them were in their own way, extraordinary persons. And why I'm saying this, I request you to. He was alive till 1955. So some good recordings are also available. It's not as if it's not available. And not that when that old LP is just about 3 minutes. So what they say about him is, even if he what do you call it, खांसी भी होता है तो सुर में होता है इसका ऐसा आदमी. But he had a very robust voice which is not micable. क्या होता है ना mic में, क्योंकि वो तो at those days there was no mic, no. So he has to sing for the audience of 100, 200 or 300. So he can't have that robust voice. It was very, very tough to capture his voice. This chap is Ichal Karanji. Ichal Karanji is a place in Maharashtra. This is the first fundamental Gwalior Gharana chap actually. And Tansen का जैसे ना घराना है ना ग्वालियर घराना है तो इनका सब he's made into Khayal style totally. This Tansen pick up into Drupadam totally. So now from there you find the most important for the 20th century, Vishnudev Polskar. From there the lineage starts of the Gwalior extensively across India. India means I'm talking about Karnataka also, talking about Maharashtra also, I'm talking about of course Rajasthan, everywhere else. Bengal I can't say, Bengal is something different. Here the Vishnudev Polskar's influence is there. 3 doyens, Omkarnath Thakur. Then you have his own son, of course, he died very early. Devi Poluskar died very early. He had some problem he contacted when he went to China.
Samay Chakra is an interactive experience at the Music Museum.
Just an help.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Make the raga understandable a little bit more and the field understand a little bit more.
Yeah, definitely.
So make that point very clear because it's not that just it has been formed in that.
Correct.
It's not compartmentalized.
Right.
A Bhairavi can be sung anywhere.
Right.
Huh?
Yeah.
See, begin. So
See,
don't make it compartmentalized.
The thing is, I understand it because I am a Carnatic music singer.
So you know it,
So
na?
I
So
understand.
that is the reason I tell you. It's
Yeah.
very important. Let's not give, what we call as compartmentalized information.
Correct.
It's both are exactly same.
Yeah.
If you understand it
Yeah,
very
yeah,
carefully,
yeah.
nothing is different.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
So make that point very clear.
Right.
It's just that it is followed. For example, for the Paddhati, for
Yeah.
learning some Hindustani music,
Yeah.
we have a Yaman and in night and the
Correct.
morning you have a Bhairav and
Yeah.
things like that. Just to make it easy. In our Carnatic music, what they do is we have that Mayamadakul, that's Bhairav only for
Yeah.
up to a certain period, right?
Correct.
To make it, certain things are very clear to you.
Right.
ये है एक तारा एक तारा
एक तारा टॉम
To end this video, I leave you with the sounds of music from Assam and the Northeast.
ओ ये वो वाले है
पर नेपाली कम्युनिटी का
अच्छा नेपाली कम्युनिटी वाले भी थे काफी
हाँ इधर असम में ये राभा का असम का राभा कम्युनिटी है हाँ इधर रात को इवनिंग में इधर डांस करते हैं हम लोग ये है सिविटा है ये है साक्सोनी है वो बिहू डांस में यूज़ करता है मिट्टी का पुतली है
मिट्टी का
पुतली
हाँ।
पुतली बोलते हैं
हाँ, हाँ।
मिट्टी का बनाया है
अच्छा इसको क्या करे हुए
ये
भूतूली
ये
क्या
चिड़िया की आवाज़ लग रही है।
हाँ चिड़िया के हवास निकलता है
कौन सी चिड़िया की आवाज़ है?
हाँ वो है कोयल का
कोयल का।
ये कोयल का आवाज ये लकड़ी का है सेम आवाज है
हम्म।
ये है धुमधुमी शिव पूजा में वो बजाता है शिव पूजा में बजता है वो दुम दुम इंस्ट्रूमेंट है ये ना असम 97 कम्युनिटी रहते हैं और अलग अलग फोक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है अलग अलग जने जने का फोक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है ये जो कलेक्शन है
सो कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट
ये
क्या क्या
मैं बता दूँगा
हाँ बताइए
ये असम का बिहू डुल है
उनका बिहू
बिहू डुल है वो बिहू डांस करता है ना
हाँ
उधर डांस करता है ये बजा
हाँ हाँ
ये है सिंपो डुल हाँ वो है असम और अरुणाचल बीच में रहते हैं सिंपल ये है ओलू का है डुल है हाँ ये है बोर्डुल है ये लोअर असम में यूज करता है बोर्ड हाँ हाँ ये है स्टिक वो दबा बजाने का हिस्ट्री है ये है फ्लूट है ये है डोल छोटा वाला डोल है हाँ ये है टका है माटी टका ये डांस में यूज करता है
Can you imagine a world without music?